Yo, listen up. Let me tell you something new about the irregular verbs in English. It's true. They don't follow the rules. They do their own thing. But don't worry. I'm here to help you sing. First up, we got go. It's a tricky one. Past tense is went, not goed. That's no fun. Next, eat. It's irregular too. Ate is the past tense. Don't say eated, whatever you do. Then there's see. It's a common one. Saw is the past tense. Don't say seed, son. Take is another. Irregular as can be. Took is the past tense. Now you see. I got more verbs to share. Get ready to listen. I'll take you there. Speak is one. It's not regular. You see, spoke is the past tense. It's easy as can be. Swim is another. That's not quite right. Swam is the past tense. Now you got it tight. Break is next. Irregular indeed. Broke is the past tense. That's what you need. Bring is another. Pay attention now. Brought is the past tense. That's how. Then there's write, not like righted. Wrote is the past tense. That's what I said. Sing is irregular. That's true. Sang is the past tense. I'm telling you. Drive is next. Don't be confused. Drove is the past tense. That's how it's used. Fall is also not quite regular. Fell is the past tense. Don't be a spectator. Fly is the last one on this list. Flew is the past tense. Now you get the gist. These verbs are tricky, but don't give up the fight. Master them all and you'll be shining bright. Okay, here we go. I'll add the past participle so you'll know all the forms and won't feel crippled. Speak becomes spoken. Don't forget that swim becomes swum. That's where it's at. Break becomes broken. Now you're getting it. Bring becomes brought. Don't throw a fit. Write becomes written. It's not writin'. Sing becomes sung. That's the way it's been. Drive becomes driven. That's the past participle. Fall becomes fallen. Now it's so simple. Fly becomes flown. That's the final one. Now you know all the forms. Your learning's begun. Don't get too frustrated. Keep practicing every day. You'll master these verbs in your own unique way.